Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. It came upward here and it showed there a rejection here in that zone. So that's what I told you. I told you it's going TL here. Then we see if it's going to break for us the long-term trend, that one where it reject that the third time now. If it's not, it's going to go back and to break for us that lower trend or that smaller trend. And we are going to the oversold, my friend. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find the red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecasting. Again, my friend, we came back to you when the daily candle is finished. And as you see, it's my friend, what it's giving us here. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, what that candle gave us here. It gave us here a big pin bar and a big rejection happening here. So our view, it's still the same, my friend. I think the Bitcoin, it will go until that zone here of that 22,200 here, as you see it. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen. Maybe the price is going to drop, maybe not. But now it's going here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture, my friend. And as I tell it to you before, that zone here of us, it's still very stronger zone. So let's see what's going to come in the coming days, my friend. Now it's showing us a bullishness signal and the price is going to that level here. That also we're talking here about the daily. We don't know what's going to happen in the coming days, my friend. And here down in the volume, my friend, as you see it here, and like that, it's showing you we are going upward, my friend. That a divergence in the volume. And that one it's showing market, it will go in upward. That was me, I told you it will go into that zone here of 22,200, my friend. So make a close attention at that level here. Here exactly, my friend, at 22,037. Then after that, we're going to see what's going to happen, my friend. Now, the Bitcoin is going to that level here. Remember it, my friend. If you are investor, not yet, my friend. That one is only for short term. People, they want to enter for short term. We are going here. Investors, just they say the market, my friend. You just buy every week, every month, depending on your capital, your work and anything. Bitcoin, it will go in upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicators, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it came upward here and it showed there a rejection here in that zone. So that's what I told you. I told you it's going TL here. Then we see if it's going to break for us the long-term trend, that one where it reject that the third time now. If it's not, it's going to go back and to break for us that lower trend or that smaller trend. And we are going to the oversold, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe. If you are subscriber with us, make sure to hit the like button, my friend, and smash it now. I want that like button to be spammed today, my friend. If you find the content is valuable, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, we're still here in the middle. Yes, we are close here to the oversold area, but not yet the right time for you to buy. So when it's going to be here, I'm going to inform you. And that way, I told you, you need to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when there is a buying signal, I will tell it to you, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see the market, what it given us here. Give us here a cup and handle like that. Till now, it hasn't break at the top of it like that. So when it's going to be broken, you calculating from there to there, and that thing is going to touch the 200 moving average, my friend. But till now, there is nothing confirmed yet, as you see it, my friend. And let's zoom it to analyze for you the price action, what it given us there. As you see it, my friend, if you remember when the last video we told you we got here at indecision candle, it pushed the price till here, then it came that pain bar, that one and the second one, that one next to it. They came with big volume down, that meant big people, they buying from that zone here. Then it came that red candle, that one. It's a big engulfing candle. Me, I'm talking about that one, my friend. That. Then next to it, it came another big engulfing candle, my friend. So the market here, it give you an inside bar like that and like that. Because if you see that red candle next to it, that green candle, some people they call it pregnant woman, some people they call it inside bar. Names doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. So now what you need, it's need a candle to come like that and to close above the highest of the high of the two candles, like here. So we're talking about the highest is here. So when it's going to come that candle, you enter long from here, from that zone, and you put stop loss down here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Everything is very easy, nothing hard, nothing complicated. But as I tell it to you before, you need to make a close eye at that level here, because that level here it needs to be broken, my friend. If it hasn't, the market is just going to stay here ranging, then after that it's going to drop. So be aware of those things, my friend. And I show you that one before, my friend. I tell it to you before. I tell you the market try to give us here a triangle like that, or you can even draw here a channel or a flag or anything. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear and don't make that video too long. So let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend. As you see, my friend, that indicator of us, I tell it to you before, it's very rare, that one. That indicator came here to the oversold area, and when it came to it, that's the right time for you to buy, my friend. Now it's going to stay here ranging till it will go in upward to the overbought area, my friend. And let me to show you in the previous days what happened. As you see it, my friend, how long it spent till it came here in that zone here to the oversold area, and here to the oversold area, and today to the oversold area, my friend. And all those times, as you see it, my friend, here in that zone, when it came to the oversold area, it came to it when that big sell off happening here, when that forget what his name, he sold a lot of Bitcoin. Then it went up till here. Next time it came here to the oversold area when we reached to 17k, and now it came to it, my friend, as you see it here. So it's the right time for you to buy, my friend, because the market will go in upward, my friend. Remember my word, and we are going to come to you in the future videos, and we are going to show you that. So let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. And that one, my friend, as you see it, we are here at the oversold area, and I think now we are going to go to the overbought area. And that one, even that one, it gives very highly accurate signals, my friend. As you see it, every time he entered to the oversold area, he went up here, here, and now we are in it. As you see it, my friend, in front of you. I think now we are going to go upward, my friend. No matter how long it's staying down here, it will go into the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, what we said before, we drawing that channel together here. That one here, we draw it together in previous. And now the channel, it's still stronger, my friend. And as you see it, the price, it touched it lower, then he came upward here. And the people, they trading by wake off, they know what that pattern meant to them, my friend, like that. They know those things very, very, very well. That in wake of, my friend, when the price done like this, then he enter in a place like that. After that, he went upward, my friend. That in wake of trading. So I think we are heading for a bull run, my friend. As I tell it to you, maybe we are going to go tail here, or maybe tail here. So make a close attention, my friend. And as you see, the 200 moving average now is very close to the price. So you need to make a close attention, my friend. If you're going to enter, you're waiting the price to close above the 200 moving average for you to enter long, my friend. And if you enter, as I tell it to you, I'm talking here about short term, not long term. Short term, if you enter, take profit, it needs to be here, my friend, and to make a close eye at the 4 hours, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, and another thing here, my friend, what you see in here, what the price giving you. If we make it like that, my friend, the price here, it give you a triangle as you see it. You can start it from here, like that, like that. So when the market is going to come a candle and to close above that one, you calculating from here to here like that, and you make the target. Target is going to go till here, my friend, but just in 30 minutes, my friend. So make a close attention at that one. And me, I tell you the targets we have. We have the first target here at 2020 200, and here at 22,868, my friend. So if it came here to that zone, you take some of the profit. Here you close everything. I'm talking about scalpers and day traders, my friend. And you got our indicator, my friend. If you want it, as I tell it to you, you can go to our video how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. You're going to find that video in the description of it. There is that indicator as we are going to show you now. The indicator of us, my friend, is the one. And as you see it, I tell it to you before. I tell you us here we are at the oversold area. And look at it, where we are now, here. So I think now we are going to head till here, till the overbought area, my friend. That's the right time for you to take the profit. But now, as you see it, my friend, we're still here in the middle. So if you haven't entered, you can enter now. It's going upward. If you put stop loss, you put it down here. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow, and I'm going to update you what the market doing. Bye for now, my friend.